Let's now move to this interesting topic of feeding the machine learning. So there is AI's hunger for data, and let's talk about it. At the core of every AI model is insatiable hunger for data, vast, ever-growing amounts of data. But you must be wondering why AI crave for so much data. Simply put, more data AI consumes, the better it can learn to recognize the patterns and produce the desired results that exceed our expectations. That is why data is lifeblood that fuels AI's relentless quest for knowledge and capability. So, simply stated, we know that AI models do what? They receive our text prompts and then create information from there. They create images from there. They create videos from there. They recognize patterns and then they do predictive analysis. Right? So this is possible only when AI engines, they have knowledge, they have the capability. That is why they need to be trained on a lot of data. So once they are trained on a lot of data, they will be able to produce the desired results. That is why AI needs a lot of data. And in reality, AI is like a dinosaur that has hunger for a lot of data. Now the question arises, sources from where this data gets collected. So first of all, we have to see that there are countless sources of data. Social media platforms provide insights about human behavior. Internet of Things captures real-time environment data, while scientific research contributes specialized data sets for maybe medicine and other areas. This data that AI consumes, in the sense gets trained on, comes from various sources like social media, e-commerce, sensors, public records, books, libraries, and more. Right? Every click, every transaction, every post contributes to data pool that AI models will later use to learn and make decisions. Amazing. Each source adds a unique layer of information that makes AI more versatile and more powerful. So these are sources of data from where we get the data, right? Later on, we will, of course, understand that, okay, AI uses the data, but who owns it? We will get into that, but at this moment, we are continuing to the next topic. And the next topic is cleaning and labeling the data. So we know raw data is not always perfect. It often needs to be cleaned and labeled to be useful for training AI models. Cleaning data just means that, okay, removing errors, duplicate records, and inconsistencies, while labeling data means tagging the data with meaningful information that makes AI systems intelligent. This all, like cleaning and labeling, I mean, ensures that AI learns from accurate, relevant, and structured information. Now, the next thing is feeding data into AI models for machine learning. Once data is properly prepped, it is fed into AI models where the real magic happens. And behind the scenes, machine learning algorithms, they do a lot of hard work. These algorithms are designed to process data, learn from it, and improve over the period of time. Whether it is supervised learning, where AI is guided with labeled data, or it is unsupervised learning, where it finds patterns on its own, these algorithms are crucial for transferring data into actionable intelligence. So once this data is fed into the machine, AI algorithms, they make these machines, these AI engines intelligent because now they know how to take action, how to create images, how to create videos by transforming the data into actionable intelligence. Then comes this interesting and not just interesting but very crucial aspect of data quality, bias. And here the role of human experts also come into picture. We know all data is not created equal. The quality of data is quite critical. Poor data quality can lead to biased and inaccurate results. So our predictions will be wrong. So that is why data scientist here plays a crucial role. Data scientist does what? It curates the data, designs algorithms, and a human expert's role in AI cannot be ruled out, just to make sure that biases in data are removed. Finally, there is $1 million question. So academically, we see that, there are data concerns, there are ethical challenges. And one of the major challenges is data privacy. How to ensure that vast amounts of data which has been collected, right, is something that does not violate the privacy of people. That is one thing. And second thing is ownership, right? If the books are in public domain, they are used to train the machines, AI engines, it's okay. But what about if the books and libraries that have been used to train the AI engines, all the data that has been used to train the AI engines, if it is copyrighted, and whether the ownership of data is with some private person who has the copyright, whether that person has been compensated or this has been used unethically, right? So these are some of the questions which have not been clearly answered yet. And in the upcoming learnings, in the upcoming discussion, we will talk about these things. We will talk about AI's concerns for plagiarism. We will talk about the concerns that, okay, whether AI is using some stolen works or not. So stay tuned and thanks for joining.